What's up YouTube? So today in this video I'm going to be painting and installing a $50 bumper that I picked up, as well as installing the OEM fog lights on it. And yeah, so we're gonna go over to my friend Forrest's house. This is probably gonna be over the next couple weeks, and we're going to be painting and doing all the work for the bumper and then throwing it on the car. So I'm here today again at Forrest's house painting a $50 bumper I got. Had to do a lot of sanding, and then we're filling in these. This is fiberglass and then Bondo, and then cutting this out for the OEM fog lights. We're back here. It's 2026 now. Just kidding. So this is the bumper I'm working on. We're using this soldering blade to cut out the factory fog light.
It goes around here.
Yeah, it's got a nice outline. We are blocking off the corner light because it's super JDM. Yeah, I'll catch up with you guys after I cut this out. So here's the fog light. We're gonna do a test fit. You have to take off these, not Phillips, but JIS. Yeah, the screws, and then we'll see if it fits on there. Alright, so I have primered. Not bad. So this is where the corner light was. And that's been Delitos. So now that it's all primered, we're gonna have to sand it again and then paint it. Okay, so the base coat's done. Just quite thick. The only thing is gonna be, it'll be a lot shinier than the rest of my car. Alright, so finally made it home. Got the bumper, and then the lips are down here. Go ahead and unload this, and yeah. Alright, so girlfriend not home. We got the bumper in the living room. Yeah. Hello, Doge. So I'm going to probably...
Bedtime.
Sorry, my dog's talking to us.
Cuddle.
No, later, dude. So I'm probably just going to put the lip on for now.
No.
And then we'll do
Bedtime.
a video for the fog lights. And then probably a video on putting this on the S2000. Alright, so I'm back at home with the fog light. Up to some arts and crafts. So I was thinking of covering these fog lights with a clear plastic. But I need rounder scissors because I don't like the way it's cut out. But yeah, probably gonna do something like that and just bolt it on. I don't care too much about drilling holes in these. I know they're rare, but it's pretty easy to Bondo tiny holes. But yeah, I saw a lot of this in Japan. I really liked how it looked, so I'm going to get this cut out nicer and then make two of them and then probably bolt it on. I'm going to be using these Allen head bolts. In Japan, they were using just like self-tappers, but I think these look a little better. I saw some that were with Allen bolts, so I'm going to do that. And this plastic is just PET, which is like the water bottle plastic. I know some people use acrylic, but I think this is way easier to work with because you can just cut it with scissors and stuff, and it's durable. This is the stuff that they use for like face shields and stuff. But I saw some people use this too. So yeah, we're gonna be trying to make some covers and we'll see how it goes. Alright, excuse the messy desk, but I made a little template that I'm 3D printing right now It's on my printer because I tried cutting it by hand and it looks like ass, so might as well make a little template guide so that I can cut these out consistently. Okay, so here took 14 minutes. I printed out another template I made. This one is for the front lip hole, you know, covers the vent. So I'll be able to cut out vent covers for this for better aero. I mean, probably doesn't do much, but it looks way cooler. So here's one of the front lip covers. You can see, I just tape it on, then trace it out. Here's the final product on the lip. It's just a clear cover. And yeah, I think it looks cool, and yeah, I'm excited to see what it looks like when I put it on the car. In the laundry room, finally got the fog lights on. Hello, Doge. Yeah, I think it looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead, throw it on the car, and see how it looks. So if anyone doesn't know, these are JDM Zenki fog lights. Guess I'll go through what they are. So they're like molded to the bumper. Like as you guys saw, I was doing the cutout, and then they attach on the back like that, with pressure, like clamping on the back. But yeah, they look pretty sweet. Now everything has been mocked up. I'm gonna wire the fog light. So what I'm doing is I'm using a generic connector, like waterproof automotive connector, and I'm just wiring it up to the OEM switch, or sorry, OEM wire to the corner lights, which I deleted anyway. So it'll be cool because I can run fog lights without the headlights on, and I like that look. But it also lets me use the OEM switch, and I don't have corner lights anyway because I deleted them, and it's super JDM. So I already attached it to the wire side that was for the corner light. This plugs into the car, and this was to the corner light. So now we're just gonna put the female end on here. Here's the plug, typically the corner light, right? And we're just gonna plug this in, and then I have the plug to the fog light. Got the fog lights on, got a new JDM badge on. Yeah, I think it looks really good. You can see my covers here, and then the cover here. I don't know how to hold up at speed, but it should be fine. I think it looks good. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So first switch is the fogs, and that acts as like my corner lights now. And then full on, we'll have the headlights on. Yeah, looks pretty good. Also matches my Evo with those fog lights. Overall, I think it turned out good. Took a while to do all this paint stuff, but I'm pretty happy with the result. Alright guys, so there are the fog lights. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I think my next video will probably be me on track, I would think. Hopefully. As you guys can maybe see, it's like super wet outside still and cold. But yeah, car looks good. We're just going to do some mechanical checks before the track day and we should be good to go. If you guys like my hat, go ahead and check out my, my website, tougetime.com. Have a couple of these for sale. And it's, yeah, nice and embroidered. So if you guys want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my website. You can also see the full setup of the car. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.